Did you know these 10 random facts about woodworking? Let's dive straight into the world of woodcraft, where creativity meets skill. Fact 1. Woodworking dates back to ancient times. The earliest known examples of wooden tools are almost 400,000 years old, discovered in Schöningen, Germany. These prehistoric tools give us a glimpse into the early man's ingenuity and resourcefulness. Fact 2. The craft of woodworking is incredibly diverse. It involves numerous techniques, including carving, joinery, turning, and marquetry. Each of these techniques requires a unique set of skills and tools, making woodworking a craft of endless possibilities. Moving on to fact 3. Did you know that woodworkers classify wood into two main types? These are hardwood and softwood. Contrary to what their names suggest, hardwoods aren't always harder than softwoods. The distinction actually refers to the type of tree they come from. Fact 4 concerns safety. Woodworking can be dangerous if not done correctly. It's crucial to wear appropriate safety gear, such as safety glasses and hearing protection, whenever you're working with wood and tools. Fact 5. There's a woodworking technique known as green woodworking. This method involves working with fresh, undried wood, taking advantage of its moisture content to shape it more easily. Fact 6. The world's largest wooden structure is the Great Buddha Hall in Japan. It's an incredible testament to the durability and versatility of wood as a building material. On to fact 7. Woodworking has profound therapeutic benefits. Engaging in this craft can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and even enhance motor skills. Fact 8. Wood is an environmentally friendly material. It's renewable, biodegradable, and requires less energy to process than metals or plastics. Fact 9. Different types of wood have different strengths, weights, and appearances, making each piece of wooden artwork or furniture unique. Finally, fact 10. One of the most cherished aspects of woodworking is its capacity for personal expression. Through their choice of wood, design, and technique, woodworkers can create pieces that are truly one of a kind. In summary, woodworking is an ancient craft, diverse in its techniques and materials. It's a practice that requires safety awareness but offers therapeutic benefits. The use of wood, whether hardwood or softwood, green or dried, results in unique creations that are both environmentally friendly and expressive. Indeed, the world of woodworking is as fascinating as it is vast.